Hey everyone, welcome back. If you are deciding between IntelliJ IDEA and Visual Studio Code for your Java projects, you're looking at the two absolute heavyweights in the programming world. I know we touched on this a bit before, but today we're diving even deeper into the specifics so you can figure out exactly which one deserves to be your daily driver. Let's get right to it. Let's start with IntelliJ IDEA first. This is a masterpiece built from the ground up specifically for Java by the team at JetBrains. When you open an enterprise-level Spring Boot project in IntelliJ, the editor just deeply understands the architecture instantly. The autocompletion is incredibly smart. The built-in refactoring tools are practically magic, and it indexes your entire codebase so you can navigate massive projects without missing a beat. The main catch here is that it is a heavyweight program. It demands a lot of memory from your computer, it can take a minute to start up, and the ultimate version does require a paid subscription. Now let's look at Visual Studio Code. VS Code takes the opposite approach. It is a lightning-fast, highly customizable text editor that you build into an IDE by adding plugins. By installing the extension pack for Java, you get a surprisingly robust Java environment completely for free. Its absolute biggest advantage is speed and versatility. It opens in seconds, and if your project happens to include a React front-end or some Python data scripts, VS Code handles all of those languages beautifully in the exact same window. However, you will definitely find yourself spending a little more time configuring files and tweaking settings to get your Java environment running perfectly compared to IntelliJ's out-of-the-box experience. So which one is actually better? It comes down to your daily workflow. If you're a dedicated back-end Java developer working on massive enterprise systems all day, IntelliJ IDEA is the undisputed champion and will save you hours of headaches. But if you're a full-stack developer juggling multiple languages, you want a lightweight editor that respects your computer's RAM, or you're just getting started learning Java, Visual Studio Code is an absolutely fantastic choice. If this breakdown helped you pick your primary editor today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Drop a comment below letting me know which one you decided to install, and I'll see you in the next one.